Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 2 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to almost to the very bottom because we have to find the features, so let's tap on it. Then let's tap on system navigation, which is at the top, and as you can see here we've got virtual navigation, which you've got probably currently applied, and the gestures. Before we'll set them, a quick disclaimer: you can customize the virtual navigation here, so you can, for example, reorder the back button and the resets. So all you have to do is to tap on the gestures, and you can see that the 3 buttons navigation will immediately disappear. The same situation, because here you can customize the gestures. Just tap on the settings icon, and here you can decide whether you, for example, want to use Google Assistant, display the bottom indicator, and manage back sensitivity. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device. Just like that, you can do the same from the right and the left side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device. Just like that, make sure that this motion is quick and short. And the third option, to open the recents. All you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center again. However, elongate this gesture and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.